volatility if I. Okay, so TGT is open. It looks like it's breaking under. Oh, URBN is going to break under.
Wow, this is a huge move on
Pre-market
PDD.
low. What's up?
PDD has a huge drop.
Oh, PDD did? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, big drop. Target looks good. It's breaking this pre-market level. I think you'd have to put your stop all the way above 142.86.
Tried to get a 140.53 on target, but couldn't get it.
Oh, yeah.
It is the pre-market low.
Ooh, PDD. Ooh,
Yeah.
nasty. Okay, this could be a gap. This is what I call a gap shock, a shock gap. So maybe I'm going to take the short.
Which
I'm also
one?
going to take, I'm taking PDD. Well, I'm actually in URBN, Urban. URBN, I just shorted that. We'll see. My stop is above the 143. PDD, I'll be looking to short maybe. I want to see it break underneath yesterday's low and hold. Let's see, what else is. Target's bouncing, so that's good. At least I don't have to jump in right at the opening bell. Oh, NVO. NVO is a gap down. And, well, it's above the 8 and the 20 on my pre-market data, so I'm going to wait till it gets under it. Urban's good. Urban's going for me. That was a break of 41. Target's bouncing. Oh, you know what? Interesting enough, Target's at the 200 moving average, so this might actually be a long.
Yeah.
Based off of the, you know.
Oh, you don't use a pre-market chart?
No, I do. All my charts are pre-market now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I really like them. I stopped doing the non-pre-market because that was something I got from Sammy. So I realized I like pre-market because I get to see all the levels before the open, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Or else it's like blind, you know, you're just blindly jumping into trades, you know? LULU, Lululemon, that is a gap down. And we got TSM gapping up. Okay. So far I'm just in one trade right now. Still waiting for some levels. How about you guys?
Not there yet.
Still watching.
Okay. What about QCOM here? QCOM, that's a gap up. And it's breaking a level of the pre-market high. I might jump in this. Okay, I got a level 1 there over the pre-market high. Let's see if it can keep going. Yeah, QCOM. So we got a QCOM long and an Urban short.
Oh my God, you're so quick.
I just buy market or sell market. Yeah.
QCOM looks good for.
I'm hoping it's a little extended on the daily, so I don't know. We'll see. Target looks like a level one to the upside. It's breaking the 20 now.
I'm waiting for target.
Yeah, I might take, depending on what target does. If target breaks 140 to the downside, or this green bar is low, I'll take it short. But right now, it's looking like it possibly is going to be a long. So I'm going to wait for like a, you know, setup to the long side and see what happens. Also, another thing to keep in mind, I looked at the Market Watch tab on Thinkorswim, and we have FOMC minutes at 11 today. So if you can imagine, FOMC minutes at 11 might cause some things to be a little bit choppy and sideways. Because if everybody's waiting for those Fed announcement minutes, you can probably bet that it's going to be a little bit like people are going to be a little hesitant to continue buying something into the Fed announcement or short something into the Fed announcement too. Okay, PDD is coming right back up. So this could be a long over 158.90. That'd be the pre-market high. All right. Oh, AA, that looks interesting. AA. AA.
WBA going down still.
Oh, really? From yesterday? Wow.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Nvidia
Let's see
look
what
like
we
it's
got.
gonna drop.
WBA, you're right. Yeah, it's got a pre-market level. It broke that. That's pretty nice. I might jump in there too. That's a level 1. It's a little late, but I like it. I like this AA as well. WBA looks good. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Jumped into that. Urban is still going, just going bar by bar. I'm going to raise my stop loss on this QCOM. All right, AA is going for me. Urban's going for me. And WBA is going for me. QCOM is coming back down. We'll see what it does on the next bar here. If I can raise my stop loss on it. Target, I'm thinking about buying it, but so now it's above the 8 and the 20 target. So I guess the first pullback to the 8 and the 20 could be a long, level 1 right off of that. Oh, PDD. Wow. Okay, so PDD is coming back up. So much for that big drop, right?
Yeah, Nvidia is going for me.
Oh, which way did you take NVIDIA?
Oh, or down.
Oh, down. Okay, that's smart actually. I think NVIDIA, let's see, NVDA. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think NVIDIA is a short today. I'm going to jump in there too. It just broke the pre-market low.
Yeah.
I think NVIDIA could be a short today. But keep in mind, it'll probably be really choppy.
Yeah.
It's also an inside day too. Remember, we talked about those. So, going to probably find support.
NVIDIA touching 200.
Yeah, it's an inside day right here. I think I'm going to take a partial or exit my trade right here.
Wait for the 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I might take a partial, so I think wait for the 2 minute may be better.
Okay.
You gotta trade like a dead chart, right?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's a dead chart. Totally.
Dang, selling off, huh?
Very nice. NVIDIA coming down. Well, if this sells off for the day on NVIDIA, then probably I'm expecting NVIDIA to pop on earnings.
Could be.
Because it's if people are expecting bad earnings and they're selling NVIDIA into earnings, all NVIDIA has to do is produce earnings that are better than expected.
Yeah.
And then it'll pop. But if it doesn't sell off, then yeah, I could see NVIDIA maybe selling off for earnings. We'll see. Looks good.
Wow, Target, pretty.
Yeah, Target looks good. Bouncing pretty good. I think it's going up to a pre-market level here. Here's that Target bouncing maybe up to 144.75.
AMD is now coming down.
Okay.
You out of AA?
Let's see. No, I'm still in AA. Yeah, I'm still in AA. I'm still in all my trades right now. I haven't gotten out of them. Thinking NVIDIA pop here.
Yep. It's on a 2 minute, a new high, so I'm out of NVIDIA for now.
Yeah.
Well, then it's gonna go again down without.
Oh gosh, of course.
Of course. Oh well.
Yeah, I'm thinking QCOM could be a short. We'll see. I'm gonna get out of QCOM in a second. I'll give it one more bar. NVO looks good now.
TSM opening range breakdown.
TSM, okay. Ooh,
But-
Lulu.
But then NVIDIA, you're in NVIDIA, so might as well not trading that. Walmart is
Yeah.
popping up.
I'm gonna get out of my QCOM here.
Shopify is kind of struggling.
Shopify? Yeah, let's see. SHOP. Yeah, it looks like a topping tail kind of thing. I got out of QCOM underneath that 5 minute, and I'm thinking about possibly a short now on it. We'll see. Lulu looks good. LU is going to trigger underneath this 5 minute. Might take this. NVIDIA, I think, I think it's just going to trade inside today's range. So.
Actually, Lulu is getting closer to 300. It could be a support area.
That's true, yeah. It's got to break that level.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to jump in Lulu here. Let's see if we can get this move. That's looking nice.
Well, I guess I'm gonna be done for 15 minutes.
You're done already?
I mean, like, now I'm waiting for another setup.
Oh, okay, yeah. I flipped QCOM now. I'm short QCOM. We'll see. It broke that green bar. You know, that pre-market level right there. So I'm liking that. So target now is above the 8 and the 20. Let's see what it does.
Let's look at Meta.
Meta. Yeah, it could be good.
Oh,
ATOX
interesting.
looks good too.
I think NVIDIA you could have fun with this and scalp it up and down. I think it's going to be inside this range. QCOM's working now better to the downside after I flipped it, so we'll see. NVIDIA, I'm selling NVIDIA now. All right.
You selling or you buying?
Oh no, I basically got out of NVIDIA short and then scalped it to the long side just for fun. NVIDIA is not something I even recommend trading. I just had fun with it because I figured it's going to be an inside day. So I'm always telling TA, I think inside days are basically pure chop. Like you get a lot more just whippy back and forth. So I was thinking, well, if that's the case, it's probably going to bounce off support here where I get out. Might as well just quickly take a scalp long. Urban is possibly giving me a reason to get out.
Shopify looks like going up.
Yeah, remember earlier? Yeah, Shopify looks great. Got that, you know. Okay. Lulu's going for me a little bit better. We'll see. QCOM, let's see if QCOM breaks this level right here. We can get a flush. I may add to it.
Check out SHEL.
Oh, Target.
Okay, short.
Yeah, Target's looking better. Let's see. I mean, there was a level 1 right there, so I missed that entry, but I might get into it out underneath the low if that happens. What were you saying, TA?
SHEL.
SHEL. Okay. SHEL. Yeah, that's a gap down. 70.58 looks good. Underneath 70.58.
I got an NVIDIA long.
Oh, okay. All right. Nice.
Oh, missed target short.
That's okay. We'll have another chance at it. It's either going to go up or down, right? So my guess, because it's right at the 200 moving average, my guess is it might just go sideways today, and but maybe we'll see. I'm putting my stop on AA above this VWAP here. Actually, I should put it. Okay. I like this URBN if it can trigger short right at the VWAP here. We'll see.
ADI looks good, but then it's at the pre-market.
Which one?
ADI.
ADI?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's always a. Oh, GOGL. That's looking like a short. GOGL.
Oh yeah. That level.
Yeah, GOGL. I'm taking a video off my watch list here. GOGL. Yeah, that looks great. Okay.
How much can go down to?
Got to break underneath this level, but it looks good. I might jump in here. Golden Ocean, whatever. I don't know what the heck that is. But getting ready for it.
A lot of stuff that we trade, we have no clue what it is.
I know. Under the low here.
Damn it, Shopify keeps going up.
I know. Yeah, that was a nice opening range break. All right, I'm in GOGL now.
Yeah.
Or not. There we go. Okay, I got Phil finally. And then I'm really liking this this urban URBN right here. I like the pullback that it just had. That's nice. Let's see if we get a level 1 to the downside here. All right, urban is going to trigger. I think it just triggered short. Yeah, level 1 right there off the VWAP. So I like it. I jumped in level 1. Let's see if we get a little bit more downside move. AA's, I lowered my stop now on AA, so AA is good. I'm gonna move my stop loss on Lulu above this green bar. So if it takes out the green bar, I'll just get out of Lulu. NVO underneath this bottoming tail, I might add to it short. Shop's looking great. You didn't jump in the shop, right?
I
Yeah.
did not, unfortunately. Because
Okay,
of
let's
two,
see.
because the two topping tail, I got me kind of hesitant.
Yeah, and that's the thing is those topping tails are what make it so good. All right, Urban is working for me. I took that level 1 right there. So we're getting some move. Let's see if we can target the low of day first on that one.
Oh yeah, Urban was good. Wow.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Lynn, I was talking about my patterns that I really love in the morning. I love opening range breaks, and then I love the first VWAP pullback.
Oh, okay.
And that Urban is so nice because it had such a wide range bar to the downside. And then the VWAP pullback is like making it, so nice.
Yep.
And then the cool thing now is I can basically just put my stop. I can lower my stop on Urban to this wide range red bar now. So instead of it above the VWAP, if this wide range red bar comes back up, I don't want to be in that trade anymore because, it's the negation of a bearish event is usually means something, we got to keep an eye on, watch out. Interesting. Let's see. Target. Okay, target's just choppy sideways. Okay, I'm gonna wait for target to kind of firm up a little bit here.
There's one stock that I kind of miss, and I wish well, I didn't miss, but then I don't know why I don't jump in, but it's ARRY.
ARRY. Okay, let me take a look. Wow, PDD. Look at this psychoness on this. I'm not gonna even touch that.
So choppy.
Yeah, that's not even nice at all anymore. Oh yeah, ARRY. Wow, what a break! The break of that yesterday's little 2 wicks. I mean, at 11:10. Wow, right there. That's very nice. Very nice.
ADI finally break above the pre-market high.
Yeah.
Waiting for it to pull back. Unfortunately, this SHE are working pretty good, but then I went in kind of small.
I'm gonna go in kind of small here on target to the upside. I think this is the level 1 off the 20-period moving average. So I'm trying it long, just small. I think my target might be back up to 144. So it's just a little playing this range basically. I figured the first short's gonna fail on target, and then if this long fails, then at least I have more data that I can back up. I'm gonna add to GOGL, I think. No, I don't have a green bar yet. I'm gonna wait. I want to wait to see a green bar. I was thinking about adding to Lulu here short. Okay, maybe I'll add. Okay, I'm adding to Lulu short here. Okay. Moving my stop loss now on Lulu a little lower. And then, let's see what else we got going here. Shop. That's good. Okay. ARRY, wow. Yeah. Look at that move. Nice.
Yep.
Okay.
Open after 15 minutes, we should add
What's up? Sorry, say that again, Lynn.
open
Urban? Yeah.
15 minutes charge.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, underneath the low, you're saying?
So make it out.
Yeah, that's my target on the short right here. We'll see if it gets there. Got taken out of QCOM for close to break even. I think I'm going to take this off my charts now. It's going sideways. So that's one attempt long, kind of a small loss, and then one attempt short, small loss. Both didn't work, and I can see why. What I should have done on QCOM is, oh, nice. GOGL is working for me. Let's see if we can get a little lower here. I like this NVO a little bit better now, but it's just got to get underneath that pivot.
I'm worried about that. NVO is good, but then I'm worried about the daily candle.
Yeah, exactly. Well, what I do like about NVO is it gapped under yesterday's green bar, so that's good. So it's trapping the longs, but I don't like that it's stuck between this, these two, areas. So we'll see. I'm gonna move my stop loss a little tighter on GOGL just in case. I think we are at an area of support here. ADI still going up. ADI, maybe. Let's see. ADI. Yeah, still going up.
Meta is going down.
Meta. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, look at the daily. It's just, inside that sort of a tough range here.
Yeah.
Channeling,
Yeah.
All right, Lulu, come on. Keep going.
All right, NVIDIA going back down.
You took a short level one? That was a nice level one right there, right off the VWAP and then.
Yeah, I missed that entry.
Yeah. I didn't see it, but now, after you mentioned it, nice. Well, NVO is a little bit better. We'll see what happens. We can get this drop here on NVO. I might get taken out of GOGL break even here. All right. Come on, baby. I'm moving my stop loss on Lulu down underneath this bar's high now.
Yeah.
This current bar's high. Could do an Al Brooks on ADI and just keep riding it. Hold on. What's going on here?
Oh, interesting. NVIDIA stock back up.
Which one?
NVIDIA.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not touching that thing. It's inside day, man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. There's your proof.
Yeah, that
You know,
ADI.
versus like something like ADI, that's moving great. All right, took a partial on urban right here. 5-minute new high.
Or a mile of open.
Oh, okay, nice.
Because the 5-minute chart makes higher low.
Yeah, yeah. And I'm going to add to my position on AA. I think this level 1 right here looks pretty good.
You mean, let me see. Long or short?
Short.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I added to my position on AA. That's working okay. Okay, that's nice. Nice drop on AA right away. That's remember I just said earlier, Lynn, my favorite setup in the morning, opening range break and then pull back to VWAP. That's exactly what AA did. Opening range break, pull back to VWAP. Yeah, so basically that's what I look for in the mornings are opening range breaks. So like some sort of, range breaks so like example would be ADI, the range of the high. That would be the break. And then we just need to pull back to VWAP. That's what we need on ADI. So once we get a 5-minute new low on ADI, I might pull back to VWAP and then we can get that, There goes AA.
Yeah. Looks good.
Yeah.
Go to the bathroom, we'll be right back.
Okay, TGT's going up for me, so this is good. I've been holding.
Target looks good now for long.
Yeah, I'm in it long from that level 1 from earlier, but we'll see. I think it's just
ADI is pulling back. Okay.
Yep, there's that move that we needed on ADI.
Yeah, maybe wait for
Pull back to VWAP.
Yeah, and then go long after that.
Yeah.
You like that, guys?
All right, no problem. GOGL is working pretty good. Still going down.
Nice.
A shot could be a VWAP pullback too, SHOP.
Okay.
That's usually the sign that the true test, kind of like what it does at the VWAP will tell you if the stock is probably going to continue its trend or not, because here, do you see what happened at AA? It's beautiful, right? Just so clean. Just pull back to VWAP and reject it off VWAP and then bounce. So right here on ADI, we'll see if ADI comes down to VWAP and instead of projecting off VWAP and bouncing up, it just plows right through VWAP and right through the 8, right through the 20, then we know, okay, something's wrong with the stock. We should probably be looking to maybe, reverse the bias on it.
Yeah.
Target's working. Very slow.
It looks good.
Yeah. I think I just got it taken out of Lulu. Okay, yeah, so Lulu took me out. Pretty much a break-even trade here over that 5-minute. I'll still look to short it, but it's that 5-minute new high took me out, so. Okay, so here's shop. Let's see if shop does the VWAP pullback here. So here's shop at the VWAP. Let's see if it breaks what it does here. This will be a sign of whether or not the stock is going to continue its uptrend or we actually have a total reversal here. NVO looking better. I like that topping tail that we just had. You know what I'm saying? That's nice. Just gotta get underneath that that low. I like urban right here to add possibly. Okay, so take TA Lynn, take a look at shop. See what it's doing. So it pulls back, hits the VWAP, right?
Yep.
Let's see if we. What's up?
Which one?
Shop. SHOP.
Oh, SHOP shop.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So let's see if shop can hold the VWAP, and if it bounces here, what does it do? You know?
Oh. Well, good
Let's
luck.
Yeah.
Are you in it?
No, I don't jump in on a single bar. I have to wait for.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't want to anticipate it because this bar could close red, and then the next bar goes even lower, right? So we don't know. So I just wait. I have to wait for shop to basically produce something like what AA just did for me, but to the upside, you know? Okay, so NVO looking better. I think once it triggers underneath the low, we'll get a nice little move here on it.
TSM is coming down.
TSM, I see that. And also, take a look at what happened to MCHP and STM too. FCX too. Oh, FCX. That looks nice. Look at that. We missed that, but that's nice. All right, so here's the VWAP rejection. Let's see. Let's see what happens on this one. Let's see if urban continues its downtrend or break the this next 5 minute high, then I'll be out of the whole thing. Okay, so we're getting a bounce off of the ADI off the VWAP. Let's see what the next bar does. And then let's see what else we got. We got LFST. That's an interesting. I like FCX. Wish I had jumped into that one. That's gorgeous. I'll wait for a pullback, and I can short it on the pullback. I might, I'm not a Lulu, so we'll see what happens on the next bar. But it looks like it could have a trend continuation here. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. Actually, all right, I did something a little fun. We'll see. I took a LU long here, thinking maybe it goes back up to VWAP, so I'm going to scalp it to the long side. That level one, you see that little level one?
Mm-hmm.
This is just funsy trade. There we go. Nice. So the level one worked pretty good. So far, we're at the VWAP. Let's see if we get rejected from the VWAP or if we break through it. All right. Nice. If we break through the VWAP, this might trigger. Could be a short still. We'll see what happens here. All right. Let's see.
This ARY looks like it's a bit longer than the other resistance on the daily. Not the resistance,
Oh, it
that's
is?
a moving average.
Okay, well then, yeah, be careful then if that's the case,
Yeah.
right? Because
Nice one on Lulu.
yeah, I'm also in Target. I got in Target at what time was it? 9:50. So I've been holding Target. I think right here is probably a good place to take a partial. A new high failure, I can imagine that, right?
Maybe ADI coming back down now. ADI probably looks like it's giving up.
Ooh, you're right. It should have bounced at the VWAP, but it's not.
Yeah.
Well, we'll give it a chance. We'll see what happens. Same with Shop. Shop never triggered. See how Shop hasn't triggered us yet?
Nope.
Yeah, so gonna just keep that on watch. Or if it does. Now the cool thing is if Shop never triggers us in long, then there's no harm. You know, we didn't anticipate this long. We were waiting for the setup. The setup didn't happen. And the cool thing is if it gets underneath the 8 and the 20, the setup may end up being a short. And it's crazy to think that something was like so bullish earlier could end up turning into completely, a bearish red day.
Yeah.
And yeah, it kind of looks like it's a bearish idea here on Shop. Still above support. If you look at that pre-market data at 59, so we're still above support. So I don't want to short it just yet. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah, your ARRY might actually. We'll see. Oh, Meta. Look at Meta's cracking to the upside now. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
What happened in the video? Just total chop fest.
I know.
Yeah, I don't trade inside days. They're the worst. They're absolutely the freaking worst. All right, Target's working. So I'm thinking the target on Target would be 144.75. So it's coming close. It's getting there. And then this ADI, I'm just waiting for the VWAP. I'm waiting for the VWAP bounce. Oh, ARRY is triggering long.
I know how that level.
Are you going to do it? It's kind of far from the moving averages, but it could still work.
I'll wait and see what happens when this candle finish.
Okay. Come on, Target. Keep going. Yeah, it's getting kind of extended, and I would like to take that setup long, but I want to take it closer to the moving averages. Okay, so Shop may trigger us long here. Let's see.
Ooh, this SHEL is working great.
SHEL. Okay, nice. So Lulu just had the VWAP rejection too. So we'll see if that comes down. Come on, target, keep going.
Looks like Shopee going down now.
Yeah, it's not bouncing there yet. You know, still holding.
Working on
Still holding
Macy's.
still holding the 20, but I'm thinking about
Missing the Macy's short.
Macy's. Oh, okay, let me take a look. Macy's.
Hitting the 8 now. So.
Oh gosh, I'm not gonna even trade Macy's. Remember yesterday how psycho that was? Remember it was like so bearish and then it turned around so I feel like Macy's just gonna keep going like being psycho, unpredictable.
Funny. Why actually can work.
Yeah. Alright, I'm jumping into urban here. URBN. I like this level 1 right here. Up at the moving average again.
One thing I don't like about urban is that it has that green bar.
Oh, you mean from earlier, the bottoming tail?
Yeah. No,
yeah, you're told.
That previous bar is green, so I don't like that.
Yeah. Yeah. I hear you. Yeah, I was thinking about that myself. Like the previous bar failed, but also I'm thinking about the previous bar failed, but it was so shallow. So maybe that, whereas this is a deeper pullback. So maybe it'll work. It's working.
Yeah.
So Lulu did the VWAP rejection thing here. So we'll see if Lulu continues down. Something tells me Lulu might go sideways a little bit. Because it's a red day, a red gap. I don't know. It could keep going.
Meta broke out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Meta's making a new high, yeah.
Meta has that open range break up now.
Yeah. It's a little, the thing is I won't take, I like it very much. But at the same time, the only reason why I just won't jump in long after that is from the bottom to the top, you have no consolidation whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? Like it didn't pause at the top. It just went 1, 2, 3 huge wide range bars. So where's your stop loss? Technically, your stop loss has to be all the way down at that pivot low. So if that's a stop loss, then yeah, you're gonna have some fun with that one, you know?
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride. I jumped into the GOGL long. I'm hoping that goes all the way back up to VWAP here, and then I'll take it short, like I did with Lulu. Okay, there we go. Target finished its bar. Let's see what the next bar does. If it takes out the previous bar, I'll get out of it. I'm hoping it keeps going bar by bar. So I'm all out of AA. Came back up to my entry. That's fine. And then keep an eye on shop. Right here could be the
Oh,
level
okay.
one.
Yeah. Tesla short. Right here.
Is Tesla an inside day?
Oh, Tesla
Yeah.
inside day.
Inside
Okay, I'm not gonna touch it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm only playing outside days because I get better, you know. Oh,
Yep.
shop. Here we go. Shop. Triggering possibly. This looks good.
Oh, yeah.
So here's that VWAP. It's, you know, this is the problem with shop. It's underneath the VWAP and it's triggering, but I'm going to take a smaller amount of shares and then I'll add to it if it, you know, proves itself.
Okay, I go with you.
Yeah, just so basically a little nibble, and then from there we'll see. You know, here it goes. That's nice.
Yeah.
The shop, the VWAP pull back is moving. Let's see if we can get over this 8 moving average here, and continue the trend here. And I got out of urban break even off that. See that level 1, how it triggered and then it came back up. So that was, I was hoping that level 1 would work, but it's looking like it's not, you know. Target, I'm moving my stop loss underneath the current bar's low now. If it gets underneath that, I want to get out. What else do we got here? ARRY still going up. That's cool. Stop, come on, buddy. Keep going. Target the high. I'm taking AA off my watch here. Watch. Oh, DQ. What's that? Dairy Queen.
DQ is a oil company.
Oh, oil. Wow. Okay. This is looking good.
Yeah, I saw it earlier on my watch list.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. ARRY still going up.
Yeah.
Wow.
You could go into that Al Brooks.
I know, right?
What company is ARRY? Oh, it's a technology company.
It's a tech company. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I'm out of target here. We got a level 1 that broke to the downside. I'm out of target. Possibly could short this. It's above the 8 and the 20 though, so I don't really love that. And then we got urban. I'm going to probably jump back into the short underneath this prior low. And still in Lulu, short from that VWAP rejection. Okay. Possibly a trade on GOGL, VWAP rejection as well. There we go. Looking good. So I took GOGL level 1 here. It's working a little bit.
Oh, dang it. Nice one.
See that VWAP, right?
Yeah,
Pull back to
nice
VWAP.
one.
My favorite
Yeah.
in the morning.
Missed the entry though, for me.
Yeah. Hopefully it keeps going.
ADI forming a level 2. Oh, I'm out of sharp break even.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Coming back down to our entry. Not a bad idea. And then now what's cool about shop is remember how I was saying the first entry was secondary, first entry is going to be a little bit of a toss, right? Because we are below the moving averages.
Yeah.
But what I liked about this is I like that possibly we'll have a secondary entry, secondary signal,
Yeah. So we showed this ADI?
ADI, let me take a look. ADI. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. We're slightly, yeah. I mean, underneath it should have bounced here, shouldn't it have, right?
Yeah.
Should have done basically what Shop did. But it's slicing right through it. So this could be a short underneath that level 2 right there. It would be 20, 299 something. Let's see. I like it. I don't think it's bad.
Are you still in the FCX?
No. Oh, jeez. Wow. Amazing. No, I didn't end up taking FCX. That was the one trade that got away when I was saying like, oh my gosh, look at FCX. I want to do it. And then I was waiting for a pullback on FCX to short, but I never got the pullback. The pullback was earlier and I missed it. So I was waiting for another one. I should have just out Brooks it, shouldn't I? Right?
I guess so.
Okay, Urban's working for me. Nice.
SEL might trigger an ad for me. Yeah, Urban is nice. I like that red ball.
Yeah, I love it. I love that it's going. Woo. Okay. Oh, ADI. Don't underestimate it. We have a level 1 right here. Sorry, level 2 off the VWAP. Yeah. So this may actually be the long. Let's try this. Here we go. Now I would say if this fails, then we got a short on our hands because now we got the long setup that just triggered.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I hate taking a short on something that's bullish for the day unless I can see that the bullish setups fail. And if they don't ever trigger, then how do I know it failed? It could be that the move that I get is the fail one, right? Trying to short it.
Yeah.
So it looks good. I'm in it long. Hopefully we get a little pop here. Keeps going up. But yeah, I like it. Targeting high day here.
Oh, SEL trigger an ad for me.
All right. Wait, sorry, SHEL?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at that one. SHEL. Wow, look at how choppy QCOM is, right?
Yeah.
So I'm glad I just stopped trading that after the 2 attempts. I think that's going to be my new thing. If I take 2 attempts on something and I can't get the long or the short to work, then just quit trading that stock because what's to say I'm going to get the third one's going to work? It's not that way, it doesn't work like that in trading. You end up basically taking a third loss, and then you think to yourself, okay, I got a third loss, maybe the fourth one will finally work. You get a fourth loss, and then at the end of the day, you go, wow, this one stock is the one that basically got me every time. This GOGL is working. I'm thinking we get to the low of day here. Come on, buddy. Good exit on shop right there. Underneath
Yeah.
that 5-minute bar. Or break even, if you wanted to.
Okay.
GOGL is working. We're almost at the low. I'm going to lock in profit here at the low for a little bit. And then now I'm going to put my stop loss on the rest above this red bar. So that GOGL to me is the epitome of what I'm looking for every day on a trade. I'm looking for something that gaps down. If I'm going short, like same thing to the upside, but I'm looking for something that goes in the direction of the gap rather than going against the gap. And I'm looking for something that produces a nice opening range break, which is what GOGL did, and then producing a VWAP retracement. And if I can get that, man, the odds are so high for a continuation,
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Shot. Look at shot. Okay. Going sideways. Yeah, this one, I think if I was going to take it short, I want to see it get underneath this pivot here. And I don't think I would jump in right away on the break of support. I want to see a retracement back up to support that fails. I think that's going to be a safer bet on shot to short it. ARRY, you might have a level 1 right here to the downside, but I don't like it still. I think it's a little bit too bullish,
Yeah.
Wow, look at DQ. It's too bad we're not in that. That's another one with the opening range break to the upside and pull back to VWAP. Gosh, what the heck is it about these things? They do the same thing every time? It's like, what is going on here? I'm going to look. Yeah, wow. FCX. I cannot believe FCX. What a monster.
Do you guys look at BE?
Sorry, which one?
BE.
BE. Okay, let me take a look.
I was
I'm moving my. All right, BE.
Yeah, I was in that for that VWAP and then
oh gosh, wow. That's the Lynn, that's the VWAP pullback that I love.
Yep.
You see? Yeah. And it had the opening range break with a 3-bar play to the upside too.
Yeah.
So you have those two setups back to back are like, oh my God, they're just gorgeous. When you
I know, just missed it.
Jeez. Yeah, and then after that, the next setup I look for is I call it the 20 MA catch up because basically.
Check out GameStop.
Oh, please tell me it's going up crazy.
Opening
I love
range
it when it's doing
breakdown.
crazy stuff. Ah, damn it! I love it when it's just going psycho to the upside. Yeah, GameStop it looks, but how do you trade that? It's an inside day. You know what I'm saying?
That's
It's
true.
another.
Inside day.
Yeah, another kind of mess up of. Yeah, like how do you trade that? It's just you're gonna get a bounce right off of this support, so your short's gonna be very short-lived. Wow, DQ is going climactic now. Look at DQ producing wide range bars. Woo! Wow. The target exit that I did was perfect. It's just choppy sideways now. So that was good. I got out right on that 5-minute bar. I'm thinking, let's see. So my next setup that I'm looking for is either a 20-period moving average retracement. So like, for instance, FCX has to go to the 20 for it to be a good trade. Or a climactic. So basically, that's the two setups I look for now after the VWAP. So if anything's already done the VWAP retracement, like FCX already did the VWAP retracement, and now it's gone too far. So I'm thinking maybe the next level 1 could be a pullback to the 20 or a sideways chop fest until the 20 catches up, you know? So it's going to be one or the other. I'm raising my stop loss on ADI to this inside bar. You see how, you know, don't want to overstay my welcome here. And I just got out of GOGL on my short.
Check out ET.
What? Oh, hold on. I'm trying to put my stop loss in place, and it was telling me that I was too close to price. BP, as in British Petroleum?
No, ET.
Oh, ET,
Yeah.
as in ET phone home. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, gorgeous. That's an outside day, beautiful opening range break, and this one could use a pullback to the 20 for sure. Same with ARRY and same with
ADI level 3 ball play.
which
ADI.
one?
ADI.
ADI. Okay, let me see. ADI. Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah, I'm in that.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize. I pull it up and it shows the position. You know, it looks also good for possibly my next setup, which is going to be the either a climactic, right? Climactic reversal, or the 20 MA catch up is going to happen. So I'm thinking FCX, ARRY.
Yeah,
and
is like,
FCX, ARRY, or DQ. Those ones seem to be going.
McDonald's too.
Are you McDonald's?
No, we missed it.
Oh, let me see. What is it? MCD?
mRNA.
You said McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's. Yeah, nice. mRNA. Oh, that's going pretty fast. Oh, and that had a beautiful level 3 right there over the top that just triggered. Nice. Okay, so SCX is putting in a level 1 right here to the upside. This could be the first sign of a possible move back up. I may take this with a quarter of a risk, so that way, nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'd rather short it. Let's see here. It's not climactic enough for me. Well, you know, I'll just try it with small shares. Okay. So it triggered long for me. Hopefully it's not a failed move. I'm thinking pull back to the VWAP. Oh, sorry, pull back to the 20. This is where I'm heading. I'm hoping, but we'll see. I'm moving my stop loss down on ADI underneath this current bar's low. Target is triggering a level 1 off the moving average. Could be a long here.
Macy also going back up.
Yeah, I'm telling you, don't screw with Macy's, man. Don't short Macy's.
Oh no, it's going up.
Oh, good. Okay. Oh, let's see here. We got. Yeah, Target's possibly a long right here as well. Jeez, guess it could be. It's a level 1 to the upside.
Wait.
Level 2 now triggering. Not yet, but almost there.
Oh. Okay.
Hey Lynn, just so you know, we have our own names. I don't know if you noticed. We call things level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4.
No, you have to show me one day.
Okay. Yeah, it's really simple. Basically, if a single bar's high and low is called level 1. So like if I say like I want to get on this pullback, you know, to VWAP off of level 1.
Okay.
Oh, good example. GOGL. Do you see that short that I took off VWAP? You see how it was a single bar that triggered me in? That's a level 1. So that's simple, super simple, right? We don't have to call it a sell setup or a buy setup. We just say a level 1, right? And then the level 2 is when you get a pivot that breaks. So like for instance, Target
Okay.
right now, you see how it's breaking the high of the
Mhm.
previous pivot? That would be a level 2.
Okay.
And then as you can probably guess, a level 3 is just when you have more consolidation rather than
Okay.
just a pivot.
Uh-huh.
And then level 4 is like a super long consolidation. And that's pretty much it.
Okay.
Yeah. So like for instance, if I say I'm going to look for a short on ARRY, I want to wait for a level 1. That would mean I just want to wait for it to basically give me a single bar to short under.
VWAP.
Well, sorry, say that again.
Under VWAP, right? Level 1.
Oh no, it has nothing. Oh, sorry, my bad. It has nothing to do with the location. It just has to do with the level 1, 2, and 3, and 4 are just a candlestick formations, basically. I'll show you. I'll show you later. I think.
Yeah. Show me on Skype.
Yeah, I'll show you on Skype. But it makes things really simple because instead of us telling, I've noticed ever since we did this, instead of us telling each other like, I'm planning on shorting it underneath 232 with a stop, you just say, I'm just going to do a level 1. And as soon as you say that, both TA and I, we just know, oh, I know exactly what you're looking at. Like you don't even have to say the price, amount.
Okay, show me so we can be on the same page.
Okay, sounds good.
How
So
about
still in this
look
ADI.
look at mRNA, for example.
Uh-huh.
Tell me where's the level 1 and level 2.
Oh,
Use
okay.
that so I can look.
Sure. Okay, so level 1 would be at 10:00. Are you using Thinkorswim charts right now?
Yeah, I have
Okay.
for 1 minute and
Okay.
5 minutes.
Okay, so just pull up, I'll just show you on the 5 minute what the level 1 is. So a level 1 would just be a single bar's high or low breaking, right? So as you can guess, this level 1 at 10:05 triggered. Do you see how that's a level 1?
Okay.
See how we just got a single bar, broke over the previous bar's high, and that's when we take it long? So that's the level 1. That's a level 1. A level 2 would be...
You mean you have to wait for pullback, right?
Yeah, basically, yeah, it's like a pullback. Yeah, exactly.
And
Or
a pullback and break above that a pullback candle.
Level
Yeah.
1 is just one bar that's making a
It's
new
just one
high
bar.
or new low.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
just-
it's the most unreliable one.
It's the most unreliable, exactly. You get the most bang for your buck when it works, like because your stop loss is tighter, right?
Mm-hmm.
But like for instance, okay, here's a good example. Take a look at LULU. See how it's breaking above this pivot at $302.93? That's that pivot breaking, or target. See how target's breaking above a pivot?
Mm-hmm.
That pivot that formed at 1020, that is a level 2. So as soon as something breaks above a pivot,
The SPY is the
level
level
2
2 right now. The SPY is the level 2.
Yeah. Oh, hey guys, I'll call you right back.
Okay.
Okay.
So level 1 basically like a new high or a new low, depending on the direction.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, now I can.
Yeah, so basically level 1 is like a new high or a new low, just one candle.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's so unreliable. But the level
Right.
2 is when they kind of consolidate, like at least 3 bars or something, and then it has a support or a resistance. So that's become level 2. Once it break it, then it become level 2.
Okay.
Just something that we have more confirmation. And
Right.
obviously level 3 or level 4, the higher the level, the more bars is formed. So
Okay.
level 2 is a little bit more reliable. Level 3 is even better. And level 4 is like, oh my gosh, it's been consolidated like for hours and then finally it's break or something.
Oh, like breakout.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, let me see, like Meta. I think Meta. Let me see.
Meta, yeah, Meta in a way. No, that one is hard to say which direction. If it's a
Oh,
level or anything, it's just kind of in that inside that range. A good one would be like let me see. Uh, Something that form like a sideways support or like I mean Tesla in a way kind of forming a level.
yeah.
It just kind of forming sideways or AA it's kind of form like a bunch of like support or resistance.
Yeah. Almost like a double bottom, double top things, right?
I mean that one we just call it double bottom double top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like NVIDIA is level 1 right now, right?
Let me check.
On 15-minute charge. NVIDIA.
No, it's inside. It's inside, so it's not a level. Okay, let me see. An example would
It's not,
be.
I mean, like, no. Oh, it didn't break it yet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Like, let me see. A good one, I guess we can say. Let me see. Find something that can give an example. Look at Macy.
Okay.
That's a level. That's a level 1 because it looks like it's gonna go down.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, see that? That's a level 1. It's the most unreliable level.
What the time frame?
5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And a level 2. Trying to find a level 2 good example. Shopify is forming a level 2 or 3. So,
Which one?
Shopify?
Oh, shop.
Yeah. So in a
Shop.
way, you know how it's kind of goes sideways?
Uh-huh.
It's not a clean level for that one, but it's just an example that I can find at the moment.
Oh, okay. That's level 3, right?
2 or 3, yeah, depends. It's hard to say
Look
because
at also look at BE 15-minute charge.
BE 15 minutes.
BE
Uh-huh.
15-minute charge.
Yeah, so it's formed like a level 2 to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it hasn't break that yet.
Right. Yep. Okay, I got it.
I'm so sad about ARRY. I was hesitant to enter, but now look at that. It's go without me.
AROY?
ARRY.
Oh, RY. Oh my goodness.
Right? I was like, I saw that level 2 earlier with that red bar, and I just didn't take it.
Oh my goodness. What a
Oh,
nice
Walmart.
move.
Chicken Walmart has a level 3 or 4.
This can hold it for a swing too, you know.
Yeah.
Nice.
Walmart kind of wanted to pull back though.
Walmart break 15-minute charge. It broke out.
Yeah, it's broke out. See, that's a nice level.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you can call that level 3.
Mm-hmm. You still working, Due?
Yeah, still working and still trading in the morning. I've been on a downdrawn lately. Like just could not find consistency.
I'm trying to look for a job too.
Oh, why?
You know, because trading is just a couple hours in the morning,
Yeah.
and then if I can find a job for medical insurance,
I see.
now I pay so much for medical insurance. Are you paying your medical insurance or your company pay for it?
Oh no, I'm just getting like the universal healthcare.
Oh, you go to university right now?
No. The I guess you can call it Obamacare.
Obamacare, that's what I
Yeah,
have right now.
yeah.
Oh, okay. But you still have to pay, don't you?
Depend on your income really.
Or your income like cash, huh?
Yeah. Why this thing giving me? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Damn it. I mean,
What happened?
I'm reading this thing that I have wrong. So when I'm in it so small that it doesn't mean anything. I'm showing
Okay.
Starbucks.
Oh, Starbucks?
Yeah.
I should not long Nvidia because it's against the trend.
Oh.
But I'm using the 200 as as an entry on 15-minute chart. So we'll see.
Okay. Okay.
Moderna is very good, looks good. mRNA, it might be extended, climatic. The day chart, look at the day chart, so climatic. The last bar is today.
For which one?
mRNA,
Oh.
Moderna,
Yeah.
very extended.
Yeah. The daily is kind of that.
Be right back.
Yes, ma'am.
Morena. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, still here.
Oh, okay. You still live in Fountain Valley?
Yeah.
What do you think about the Anaheim Hills?
That's a nice area.
But Anaheim is very bad area, right?
I'm not sure about Anaheim, but I know that Anaheim Hills would be much better.
Yeah, they have like a very pretty like condo or townhouse.
Yeah, rich area.
With view. The view is so pretty.
Yeah. You plan to go there or what?
Yeah, I plan to move there. I've been looking for a house. Been looking, to move to a smaller house.
Smaller house, huh?
Yeah, live in a kind of a little bit big.
Oh.
So I looked at Fountain Valley, but too expensive.
Is Anaheim Hill expensive also?
Anaheim Hills are very expensive,
Yeah.
but if you look at like condos or townhouses, it's cheaper. It's like 1 million, around 1 million, but you have to pay for HOA.
Oh, I can't stand that. Fountain Valley, I mean, you can find places for a meal also.
Fountain Valley?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I looked at it. It's so expensive.
I know. Alrighty.
Look at mRNA on a 1 minute chart, pullback. I thought it would drop, but never dropped.
I know it's no pulling back on that thing. I don't even know how to enter this. I mean, I guess you can just go in and hopefully you can go higher.
Yeah. But like you said, on 1 minute chart just happened like level 1, right? Wow.
DQ could double top here.
DQ is the top of my list today.
I keep thinking going long or short.
Yeah, my list had like the percentage move.
Yeah.
So DQ move 17 over 17% today.
Yeah.
But mRNA is more clean, right?
You know what's more clean? ARRY.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yep, that one. Yeah.
That's like the mess of my day. Like,
Oh my God, look at the 5 minute charge. Oh my God.
Yeah.
You can just close your eyes and get in any candle.
Yeah.
Finally, my NVIDIA screen.
Starbucks might go back to the VWAP. I'm barely green for the day, like barely.
Oh, you barely green today?
Yeah.
I'm green, but so small. The share
For the
very
year.
small. Yeah, you make that much.
Mm. For some reason I woke up at like 3 a.m. today. Just couldn't sleep.
Hmm.
I think I'm getting old.
You was too young.
I bet I have more gray hair than you.
No, I have gray hair when I was 13.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's,
You know what, Dui? Maybe I short mRNA after the 15-minute charge.
oh. Okay, I see that.
Because
Yeah, it's pretty
can extend it,
Yeah.
but small share. Oh, no. See? It's really sad Jason lost his puppy, huh?
Yeah. It's going to a better place.
Mm-hmm. No, Boba. Boba, no. Boba. Boba, no. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. You okay? You okay? Oh, you good girl. And have hearts. Oh, baby, you're so cute. Such a good girl. No bark, okay? No bark. You're good girl. You're good girl. You are a good girl, baby. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. That is good girl. Very good girl. That's my girl.
maybe right about mRNA might come down.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey, we're looking for mRNA.
Look at mRNA. Yeah, what's up?
Climatic.
Oh yeah, same with ARRY. Just triggered a level 1 to the downside, climactic. Could be a good short. And then, oh, by the way, this FCX is doing what I thought it was going to do, which is called I call it the 20 MA catch up. So we'll see. Right here is where the 20 MA finally catches up to price. And we'll either continue its downtrend, which I think is highly likely, or it turns into something that I call a morning transition trade, which is where you can imagine transition just means your 20 moving average catches up, and instead of it dropping, right, it gets over the 20 and it goes sideways, and then you get that blast off to the upside, right? But I'm thinking it's more likely that the trend, I'm always trying to go with the trend as much as I can, but
Right.
yeah, I think mRNA could still be along. I think, as far as climactic goes, something that's really climactic, I'm looking, and if you want to see something super climactic, let's see here. We got, let's go to the upside here. Yeah, FSLR looks climactic. That looks climactic, right?
Let me look at the day chart. The day chart.
TA, are you still there?
Yeah, still yeah.
Okay. Take a look at FSLR on the daily. You can see, right? We blasted off. And we're up two days in a row, but this second bar is the size of like 7 bars. the second day, So it's a pretty big move. And but it needs to go. The way I like climactic is what happened to ARRY, which I actually shorted. So see this level 1?
Yeah.
On ARRY?
Yeah.
I'm shorting that because I like the extension. I think mRNA is going up pretty good, but it doesn't have like multiple bars in a row, right? It has like, right now the past green bar is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not bad. It's not bad. It could definitely still work. But I'd rather take something that's like, for instance, this ARRY is now in the money pretty good, and it worked pretty fast, I'm going to look at possibly a target again, long, as it pulls back to the 20 here. So it's above the moving averages now. We'll see what it does when it hits to the 20. Did anyone take that ADI with me, long, off that VWAP right there?
Oh, I have.
No, missed that one too.
Okay.
No,
I trailed out of it about 15 minutes ago, but it's setting up possible long over the high of day as like a level 2 or 3. So that could be interesting.
Yeah, that's that level going.
Yeah. Target pulling back to support here. So we'll see what it does here at support. If it slices right through the support, then there's no point in getting in. But we'll see. I got the pool guy coming over today. Yeah, my pool. I usually do my own pool, but the past once a year I always get the pool. The filters clean. So they come, they do like, they open up the filters and do this whole, thing on it and clean things off.
Oh, mRNA looking better for sure.
I'm in mRNA short.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, sweet. I'll look
The
at it.
spot will be high of today.
Yeah. And if he breaks over the high day, would you go long?
Not, I have to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the reason I took it short, the 15-minute charge, almost like a doji bar. It broke on the previous candle, but it couldn't go.
Look at ARRY now. It's working for me. Look at
okay.
2 bars in a row now.
Nice.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get down to the view app. I'm moving my stop loss over this current bar's high. So yeah. Remember how we were waiting for shop to figure out what direction possibly going in? Look at it now, right? It's almost setting up a short underneath all that support there. 59. Yeah, level 4 or something. mRNA looks good. Yeah, I like the double top that you guys got there. That's pretty nice. Definitely a challenge, but
I'm taking a shot on SHEL and XOM.
okay, hold on. I'm gonna just ARY is good, looking good.
Not a pullback, huh?
You know what? FSLR just triggered a level 1 too, but I'm gonna lay out on that one because I don't want to take too many of the same type of short here. But it looks good. Look at that. Nice Hikaki bar to the upside, yeah. Okay, target. Right at the moving average here. I might take it. Yeah. Gotta wait for a level 1 to trigger, but could be good. If I do this one, it would be with even smaller shares than normal because it's a gap down. And I think that one of these pullbacks are gonna fail eventually. So far, every single one's worked. Every single pullback on, you look at every single level 1, right? Pulls back, level 1, boom, to the long side. Second pullback, level 1 worked. Here's the third pullback. Let's see if this third one even triggers. But so far, every single one's worked. But I'm thinking eventually one of them's going to be, hi, buddy. Hi, Theo. Hi, sweetie.
Oh, your puppy looks like mine.
Yeah, he's my other guy, the one that's still alive. He's 8 years old, and he acts like he's a young puppy where, the girl that passed away, Ruby, she was 13.
Oh.
And she just stopped. It's crazy. She wasn't eating her food and she was vomiting. So we took her to the doctor and they said, she's probably got cancer from her age. And we're like, well, what is the treatment for cancer? And we found out it's like $40,000. There's no guarantee that it'll work, and you have to take them to the vet once a week for blood tests and all that stuff. I'm like, let's not do this with her. That's so stressful for her, right? Like, let's just see how she does. So what we did is we got her on the medication that would just kind of suppress the pain, and just let her have fun and let her do her thing. So, and then what ended up happening is she became like a puppy. It was crazy. So because she had no pain, she acted like a puppy, and she had so much strength and energy. Like, we were like, what the
That's
heck?
good. You guys,
Yeah.
you guys kept her in a comfortable.
Oh my gosh, she had so
Life.
much fun. Yeah, she had the last three months of her life. She was like a puppy. She was having fun, and we said, Ruby, just please stick around for us for Christmas and your birthday. If you can just stick around for that, like, and then afterwards, if you want to go and it's time for you to go, fine, And the crazy thing is we tell her that like all the time, and what's crazy is she did exactly that. Like we had the best birthday at a park, and she loved it. I'll send you the video. It's so cute. Let me actually see if I can find it, because So we had this, yeah. So basically, after that, it unfortunately took a drastic turn. You know, like after her birthday, if for 3 days, it was like, oh, okay, she's done. Like she went from being like the happiest puppy on earth, having so much fun, to all of a sudden being like, I don't even want to eat anymore. Yeah, and she was basically starving herself for 3 days, and she wouldn't eat any of her food. She would only drink water, and I was like, okay, I guess she's trying to go, and we're not letting her go, you know. So yeah, we got someone to come to the house, and they did it was really cute. They did. I'm gonna send you this video. They did a sound bath for her.
Really?
Yeah, so we got bowls, like, vibrating bowls all around her, and we did this whole sound bath, and then we had a lady come to do where they put the injection in her to kind of make her go to sleep without any pain, right?
Oh.
And we just held her while, she passed away, but it was unfortunate. I was telling Mom, I was like, maybe we can just keep her alive longer, and it was like, no, she's in so much pain, like, we gotta let her go, and
Wow.
but yeah, I mean, she was.
It's hard. It's hard.
I know it is. She's such a sweetheart.
My puppy Boba.
Yeah.
She's my first pup.
Yeah.
I never owned a pet before.
Oh, really? Never owned a doggy before or anything?
No, but she's like a human.
Oh, nice.
No, it's not. It's so attached.
Oh, sorry. No, I was saying. Sorry, I saw my trade on FCX is going. Sorry, my bad. She is a human. Yeah. Yeah, our doggy is like a human. It's scary, right?
Scary, like for today. I'm talking to you guys, right? She is so anxious and nervous. She doesn't like me to talk on the phone because every time I talk on the phone, I'm going out.
Oh my God.
She doesn't like me to go out.
That is so cute. Yeah, that's like, they have separation anxiety.
Oh my God, severe.
Yeah, my Ruby, we had to get another dog for Ruby. That's why we got Theon. Ruby would not, if we left the house, she would start barking and barking and barking, and she wouldn't stop barking until we got home. It was so bad. And we were like, what?
Cute.
Yeah, but it was really sad because she would cry and cry and cry until we figured out, okay, we got to get a second dog. So we got a second dog, and basically Theon was Ruby's like emotional support dog,
Oh.
And Theon's totally different. He's like a dog. He even though he looks, he looks like a dog, but Ruby was a person. I sent you a video of her. Oh my God, I just missed that girl. Yeah, man, I know what you're saying. Yeah, they get nervous. Every time I put on there's little things they just know that you do. You put on a jacket, it means you're going outside.
Oh my God, I carry a jacket.
Yeah.
And then she will come behind me and then pull my jacket. And then also every time I put a makeup on,
yeah,
she's got oh, you're going out. Oh.
Does she get nervous because she doesn't want you going out? Because you don't.
She doesn't want me to leave the house.
Yeah.
What
a cutie.
Yeah, she has a severe separation anxiety.
Yeah. I gotta tell you guys something. So I learned this from Al Brooks. That guy, he has that whole price action or whatever stuff. He's like the master of price action. He had a chapter where he talks about consolidation reversals versus climactic reversals. And he was saying that consolidation reversals rarely ever work.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? For instance, see what mRNA is doing? Like you're right.
I know.
And it's just consolidating. And same with FCX. Like people probably thought this was a long and they tried to go long on it and it's just going sideways and then it ends up dropping. He was saying that the consolidation, like when people try to reverse, get the reversals on consolidation, they're just very low odds trades, whereas the climactics are higher odds because you got an exhaustion of buyers and sellers. Right now, what's happening is it's almost like a refresh. Like these buyers and sellers are refreshing their, you're getting new buyers, right? And then you're getting new sellers. So why would the new buyers want to get rid of their trades? When unless they have a huge profit, right? Like if you're a new buyer and it went up way high after you got in, then you get out of the trade, right? But yeah, if you're a new buyer in this MRNA, you're not going to get out unless it gets underneath the support level, which is probably that pivot at 156.65. And even if it gets underneath there, you're still thinking to yourself, well, I got the 20-period moving average underneath that, so maybe I'll hold to that. You see? So you get all this you get these fake breakdowns that fail and then shoot right back up. So I'm starting to see essentially it's reversals, like going against the trend is like the hardest thing. It's so hard. Whereas if you look like, for instance, I don't know, just look at mRNA on all possible setups you could have just bought, right? From the very beginning, right? Yeah. So I do agree it is extended, but I don't know if it's going to be a reversal base or a continuation base. And my guess is more of a continuation base, but then and then you get out of it and that's when it reverses. That's the annoying part. It's like you take your stop loss and then that breakout fails and then you're like, oh my gosh, the breakout failed. And then you short it and then it hits the 20 and it bounces.
Exactly.
Yeah, and it's like, oh, this is so annoying. I'm looking at I think FCX might turn into my the 20 MA catch up here. So I'm just waiting, for that 20 MA to catch up, and I think this would be a level 3. So meaning it bounces about 3 or 4 times at the lows, and then it'll break the low. So that'd be good. But yeah, that's why I didn't take FSLR short, even though it looked good for a short underneath that green bar earlier. Is I was thinking to myself, well, this is not like a reversal. This is more like it had a red bar, a green bar, now it's putting in a red bar. Wouldn't this be sort of just basically consolidation? So I'm just like, I don't think I want to take it. Whereas the one on ARRY was like just green bars all the way up to the top and then perfect short right there, and that worked. Wow, I missed GOGL. There was a nice level 1 off the VWAP again.
Yeah.
Dang. And then I think this chop, I'm just going to leave it alone right now. I don't know if it's going to trigger ever. I have my entry underneath this 59.06, and I don't think it's ever going to trigger to where I'm just going to get out, not trade it. I'm just going to do a little scanning here and see if there's anything else that looks good. Take a look at what happened to Lululemon, LULU. Okay, so that's going sideways. So LULU might turn into a transition play. It doesn't, see how LULU and SHOP are like mirror images of each other? Like they're both like, especially if you have the pre-market data on, like I have, you can see there's a pivot at 304.13. If it breaks over that, that would be the a nice little move up, right? And then same with SHOP, you can see the pivot at 59.06. If it breaks underneath there, it could be a nice move down. But how long is it going to take before that price gets tight enough and then breaks out to the upside? I don't know. It doesn't look like it. ADI also setting up a 20 MA catch up here, right here. So maybe it'll break out to the upside soon. Let's see. Let me take a look at gaps here. Oh, you know what's happening today after the close is Nvidia's earnings.
Oh,
So
I just got make 3 hours.
nice.
Nvidia, because
Oh,
I
wow.
trade on 200 MA.
Oh,
On
okay.
15
Oh, I
minutes.
see that. Yeah, it bounced off there. That's nice. So did you hold for all that time, that like hour?
Yeah, I got in like they bounced the second time on the
Yeah.
200 MA, and then
Yeah,
it
right
was
around
stopped
10,
all the way.
10:30.
Yes, all the way on the 2 days low.
Wow, amazing. Yeah, that's a big stop, but that's the perfect place to do it.
And then I just got out. That last candle was big candle on 15-minute chart.
Mm. Yeah. Target's triggering a level 1 right here.
Wow, your target, perfect.
Yeah, I just don't know. I'm a little worried about this. I'm going in with small shares.
But it
Oh, Lulu just triggered a level. Just triggered the level. The transition trade. I'm wondering if it'll work. Let's see. So target on this transition trade is going to be up to 306. So I'm in target and I'm in Lulu. And I'm waiting for ADI possibly to go long. And okay, so target's going. Maybe target for target would be the high of this pivot. ADI just triggered.
Yeah, ADI looks good.
All right, I got in. I think the stop on ADI should be down at 233.
You
Or
got it
230.
long, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm taking it long. So I got three trades I'm in right now. I'm in this Lulu, which doesn't look like, well, it looks kind of crappy. It's not my favorite. And I'm in Target, which I don't like as much either. And I'm probably going to reduce my stop loss on Target to this bar. If this bar turns green, I think I'll just get out. I mean, sorry, if this bar turns red, I'll just get out on Target.
Hey, I'm going to take my puppy out for bathroom. Be right back, and I will join you guys.
Okay, cool.
Later.
If you don't see me later, it's just I'm taking the pool guys came and I had to go.
Okay.
But,
Okay, cool.
all right, talk to you later.
Bye.
Hey, Jen. Hey, where's Jen?
I guess he's working, so he doesn't get on.
Oh, okay. Is he doing? He makes chips.
No, he just he's more of a technician than anything.
Oh, what is he? What kind of technician?
So electrical, and he built like all these devices that's like,
Wow,
it's worth a lot of money.
That's cool.
And then
Where did he learn? Where did he learn to do that?
Well, he got a degree in electrical. So.
Oh, okay. And what company is he working for those chips?
It's a very small company, but they based near San Jose.
Oh, okay, nice.
ADI is not working.
No, ADI is not working, but stop loss should be below that 20. It shouldn't break the 20. So just give it the room it needs. And hopefully it breaks.
All right. Okay. ADI just turned my day red, even though my day was very small and green. Like.
Okay, well that's not bad, not bad. I've got an NVO long too. NVO. It's above the 8, above the 20.
Okay, it's below the VWAP now, so it seems like the long is kind of like,
ooh, yeah,
being hesitant.
I might move my stop loss up on ADI now. Underneath this previous pivot here at 233.36 rather than over at the VWAP. I mean over at the 20. See, Lynn did a good thing, which is basically she knew that she picked the long on NVIDIA, but she gave herself a very wide stop loss. She said, I'm going to put it all at the low of day, which let her just kind of do her thing. So I feel like, you know, like for instance, if we take this ADI and we give ourselves stop loss all the way at the 20, it's far away, but it makes the odds a lot better, you know, in our favor. Like for instance, I'm sure there are people right now buying shop, little you know, little ads, right? They're getting in the shop, they're buying a little bit,
I feel
and
like
they're hoping that
ADI might be a new high value.
yeah, it could. Yeah, it does look like it. But give it 15 more minutes, maybe it'll turn back around. ADI, Lulu is good. Putting my stop loss on Lulu down underneath the VWAP, and moving my stop loss on target a little higher. NVO. I could even think about even going long on shop right here. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's in this consolidation, you could get a little bit here, add a little bit. Like let's say I gave you a game. I said, okay, today you have to buy shop. You know, like let's say you work for me, right? I'm like, today I want you to buy 1 million shares of shop. Well, here would be the perfect place to get it, right? Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Like inside all this consolidation, you just buy a little bit here, buy a little bit there. Buy a little bit when it breaks a little bit higher, add a little bit more.
Why would they buy shop today?
Yeah, shop looks like a swing trade, you know? To the long side, although it's got room to the 20, but. But yeah, ADI is not looking so good. Ah! I'm putting my stop below the 20 pure moving average though. I'm curious to see if it'll do the bounce.
Okay.
If it slices right through the 20, then so be it, right? But if it bounces at the 20, then that'll be a proof that, you know, I'm always getting too chickened out over every single time I get into a trade, right?
Yeah.
But then also, why couldn't I just get out of the trade for a small loss and then get back in at the 20? You know? There's that idea too. Like it's okay to for small and then just get back in anyway. We'll see. NVO is going up for me. That's good. I figured basically NVO was kind of like what Pan W did yesterday. Just keeps going higher and keeps going higher, and you're like, what the heck?
Yeah. At least, you know, retest the high or something.
Yeah. And look at FCX. This 20 MA catch up is turning into a transition trade instead of a 20 MA catch up. So I was hoping by the time the 20 MA would catch up to price, it would go lower, right? And then I would short it underneath the low day. But look what's happening. 20 EMA catches up to price, it crosses over the 20. So basically, it's now, as long as it maintains itself over the 20, it's acting like it could be a a transition trade so far. Ooh, look it. Not just yet, ADI. We might just have a,
Yeah. Strong.
All right, it's working. So, yeah, let's see what happens. I took that FCX long. I'm hoping it gets to VWAP. And that'll be my midday VWAP trade.
Nice.
So basically all my strategies mark out what happens to a stock on the day, essentially. Like it opens up, opening range, it moves a certain direction, it pulls back to VWAP, and then it goes more. And then it goes climactic, and then it's done. Or it pulls back to VWAP, it fails at the VWAP, becomes a transition trade, and then it goes, in the opposite direction. Or it keeps going, the 20 EMA catches up to price, then that either continues the trend or that becomes a transition trade, right?
Yeah.
So one of those things happen, and that's in the morning, and then in the afternoon you got the midday VWAP, the midday transition trade, which is what happens when the VWAP doesn't play out, right? Like the midday VWAP doesn't work. Well, then all of a sudden you got a transition trade. And then what just happened? What took me out? Oh, all right, I got taken out of target. Break even. And NVO, break even. Okay, cool. No problem. No problem on those. Those are fine. Target came back down to my entry. NVO come back down to my entry. Still an ADI. And Shopify may actually become a short eventually. We'll see. I'm going to move my stop loss on this FCX a little bit higher now. Oh, FCX is good. Thinking FCX gets the VWAP, so this is looking nice. With that breakout right there. Cancel. Lulu. Media. All right, well, ADI looking a little bit better, right?
Yeah.
Are you still on that one?
No, I got out.
Oh, crap. Okay. Well, I stayed in it. So, this is why I think you using that small share size is just so amazing. But man, if we could just get the other part of the study to work with the risk unit showing where your risk unit is, you would see that, oh, my risk unit is like, $10 away. This is going to be simple.
Yeah. ARY could go up again.
Yeah.
Let me see. You can activate ADI.
Oh, you know what? Is it going back up?
Yeah.
I don't even know. Let's see. ADI. Oh, by the way, TA.
Yeah.
I was looking at Webull. And you can connect Webull to TraderView. You know that website TraderView?
Yeah.
So you can use all the scripts from TraderView, the Pine script stuff, and you might be able to do that kind of thing on TraderView that we did on Thinkorswim. I'm not sure.
The other one
Have you tried?
Free, right?
What's up?
There's a fee for that TraderView, right?
There is, yeah, there is a fee. And then the other thing is, I found out that PineScript, Webull has they have a website version as well that looks like TraderView. That's their own that you can run PineScript on. But people have been asking them to make it so that their platform that you can add studies in their platform. Yeah, someone put, back when I first used Webull on desktop, I had a script editor feature. Now I'm back and it seems to be gone. It was easily the best feature on the desktop. Your competition have it now. What's up? And the person says, email Webull. If enough people complain, maybe they'll bring it back. While you're at it, complain about the 6 subchart max limit. Email them as well, trying to import Ribster Cloud Script.
ARRY is kind of working.
Which one?
ARRY.
Okay, let me take a look. ARRY. Yeah, nice. You took that level 2 in mid range.
Yeah.
Good job.
Probably target the higher days.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, I just did the short on that for the 2 bars, and then I think I got out over a 2 minute. Let me take a look. Yeah, that's what it was. Got the short, got out over the 2 minute. I should have gone long though. That was a really nice level 2, mid-level 2. And then your stop loss can now be underneath this current bar's low. So you know.
Yeah.
So you can't use that study that goes and takes a look at your account size and gives you that amount, right? That doesn't work anymore.
At the moment, it does give me the account size now, but right now it still doesn't show me my average entry, which is
okay. So it doesn't show your average entry. So all it's showing you pretty much is just the amount of shares to take for a particular level.
Pretty much. Yep.
So when you're in the trade, it doesn't update. It doesn't show you quantity, right?
Nope.
It doesn't show you average price.
Look like all UN is rolling over. All UN.
Oh, okay. Let me take a look. RUN.
Oh, Shopify.
Is it okay? I'm guessing Shopify finally broke down to the downside.
Yeah, that level 4.
Okay, nice. So let's see what it does, because here's the moment where I'm wondering if it'll actually fail or follow through, because we have that 60 period moving average right there. remember, like a pattern, this pattern, when we see these patterns, it usually can mean at least a 1 bar follow through.
Yeah.
But we don't know what's going to happen after that 1 bar. You know?
Yeah.
Next bar could be an inside bar, pops back up. It could be, you know, but it looks good. It looks good. It looks like a transition trade. So hopefully it works.
Yeah, probably should have taken that level 3, 4.
Yeah, totally. It's not a bad scalp as well, even if it doesn't go any farther.
Yeah.
Some people don't even, they'll just scalp these things. They know patterns produce at least 1 to 2 bars of follow through.
Yeah.
But maybe no more than that. I mean, sometimes that's really the case. Like you get a level 1, it produces 1 bar, and then it's done. Like I was taking a look at Pan W yesterday after the close, and I was looking at like, okay, if I wanted to go long on this, I'm going to look at all the entries, and now I'm going to look at short, like all the short entries, even though they're wrong, right? Even though it's like going against the trend.
Yeah.
But with the idea that I just get 1 bar move and then I'll get out. And let's see how many worked. And there were like so many that worked. I was like, this is interesting. Like, just because, it's against the trend doesn't mean it doesn't have a valid, you can't get a valid profit out of it as long as you, like Jared Wesley talks about, as long as you know your expectations. If you're expecting like that you got the top, then you're probably going to be wrong.
Yeah.
But
oh, ET break the low of day now.
Nice. ET?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, Webull gives you a line, at least on a chart, so you'll know where your average price is on Webull. So that's good. The chart shows a line, and it's got really good hot buttons, which is great.
Well, I guess that's one thing that's kind of like giving me a little resemblance of hope is that one of the study actually working now, or one of the function actually work now.
Okay, which function?
The one that tell me my account size.
Oh, okay. So you're thinking over time it may start working again, and
yeah, I'm hoping that might be the case.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. Here. NVDA. What is it gonna do today? My guess is a rip over.
This RUN is working out great.
Oh, nice. Yeah, good job. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Good. Wow. That's unexpected.
Yeah, breaking the point now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at shot. See, I'll take that level.
Yeah, there you go. 2 bars. Yeah, that transition trade, man. I'm telling you, those are powerful.
Yeah.
Because Shop had the bounce off the VWAP that we took, right? Moved up 1 bar, stopped us out break even, and then from there it was like, okay, well, if it goes a little higher, we'll get back in, but it didn't. So that VWAP, that's a perfect example how the VWAP. Shop had 3 setups I'm just gonna send this to you so you can see what I love about it is that we got the opening range break in the morning, right? So that's setup 1, ORB. Then we got setup 2, VWAP pullback.
You can add to that ADI. It looks pretty good. Going against the market.
ADI. Let's see here. VWAP. Pullback. Stop out, break even. And then
how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. I made I think $21.
Okay.
Just risking $10 on every trade.
I see. Yeah.
Some of the trades I went even smaller, just to kind of do the thing. But
I'm just slightly red. I was slightly green, but now I'm slightly red.
It's weird when I use really small share size. I do great. I do really good, and
yeah, and going with the trend is just much easier.
Yeah, it's when I start adding bigger shares, adding more because I get excited.
Yeah.
My dad was telling me basically his view on it is that it's not that I'm a bad trader. It's that I care too much about the money aspect of it. So what's happening is when I use a bigger share size or when I this and that, it clouds the judgment.
Yeah, that's why I told you to keep trading with the all unit, but you keep using the dollar.
I know.
Yeah, right now, unless this thing can fix that one thing, then I don't know how it can be to trade with the all unit like before.
I guess I would just have to use the bubbles, and just not know where. If I add, I guess maybe the way to do it is I get in with the first bubble, whatever amount it says.
Yeah.
And I know that's a $10 risk. And if I get another place to add instead of adding more in the bubble, I'll just reduce my position size on my ads to being like half of the amount rather than the same amount as last time, or more. So, because if I keep adding $10 and $10 and $10 to things, or sometimes $20, then I ruin that position really bad.
I may call it a small loss.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. I'm still in probably that one trade. Oh, ARRY, did exactly what I figured. We get the pullback, it pops, right? And then if you trail underneath that bar, you get out for break even, and now it's forming a secondary entry, secondary signal,
Yeah.
And that's usually what happens on big moves. Like the first move is usually kind of a 50-50 chance and it's sort of better to wait for a secondary signal anyway, but to take it anyway, you know? And ADI still in it.
Nice. That's good.
Yeah. Gonna let it keep going. Hopefully this is not a breakout failure. All right, man. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Yes, sir.